Kevin Mon, what are the advantages of investing in UITs?
Well, for the individual investor, it's another option available to them, like a mutual fund or an ETF. A unit investment trust is also a package product where a professional portfolio manager will build and select a portfolio of securities to meet a certain investment objectives. Generally, they're 2 years in duration, and at the end of the 2 years, that trust then rolls into a successive series of the trust with new securities.
So it's tax efficient?
It can be very tax efficient, yes.
All right, and it's a good way for people to get yield, but why is it a better way to get yield than investing in the Dogs of the Dow or some other program?
Well, Dogs of the Dow actually was a UIT, and we had a Dogs of the Dow unit investment trust some years back. But what we found with that particular type of strategy, it wasn't dynamic enough to take advantage of everything that's available in the market today.
Can you give me an example of an equity UIT that you're promoting right now?
Sure. We have our Smart Trust Dynamic Sector Income Trust. And what that trust does, Greg, is it looks to exploit the sectors that we feel will benefit from the economy and the markets over the next 2-year period. We feel those sectors in a slowly growing economy are healthcare, telecommunications, and utilities. And we look to find the stocks that have free cash flow, high dividends, and a 5-year dividend growth rate. And we select those securities and package them with closed-end funds that provide covered call protection, a great opportunity to investors to earn a high level of income, but also have the potential for total return.
All right, staying on the topic of yield, a lot of people like UITs for municipal bond exposure.
Yes.
Tell me about your UITs there.
Sure. We have a tax-free income trust that invest in a portfolio of 20 different closed-end funds that invest in national municipal securities. They're trading at attractive discounts to their NAVs, and they offer a high level of income, often using leverage. But in this type of environment with record low interest rates, you're almost foolish not to use leverage.
And they buy them through Henyon and Walsh, or they buy them on the exchange? How can they get to them?
Yes, they bought through their financial advisors. They're Smart Trust Unit Investment Trusts. If they'd like more information on them, just go to smarttrustuit.com.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thanks, Greg.